Dear student, in this video we will discuss about the division of line segment in the given ratio, again by using the parallel lines. As we did in the previous video, the some of the steps remain same. I will tell you how to do it with the help of one example. So my question is, divide a line segment AB equals 6 cm in the ratio 4:3 internally. So what we will do, first of all, we have to make a line segment AB equals 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Now again the same process, I have to make the parallel line. So by the same process again I am making the acute angle. You can make any acute angle, but here I am making the acute angle of 60 degree. I am repeating again and again that you can make any acute angle. It's not that every time you have to make the 60 degree angle, but I like to make 60 degree, that's why I am using it. So the same process as we did for the division of line segment into equal parts. We have to make an angle of 60 degree, one in the upward direction, another in the downward direction, that you can see it here. Again it's a ray, so we have to mark it properly. This is Y. In the previous one, when we did for your division into n equal parts, if you observe, in that case what we did, we want to divide into 5 equal parts, we take the 5 parts. But in this case we need to divide the line segment in some ratio, 4:3. So for this purpose I have to, first of all I must know about it, that how many arcs I have to place here, how many I have to make the equal division here. So for that purpose we focus on the ratio. See, the ratio is 4:3, so I need to mark 7 divisions. 7, how I'll get 7? I just add these two, 4 plus 3, that I'll get 7. So instead of 4 or 3, I'll mark 7 here in the case of ratio. So again you can adjust your compass, or you can take the size as per your convenience. So I am taking here the size this. Just mark the arcs. This is the first arc, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is 7th. For this one also the same, the size is same. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, this is the 6th one, and this is 7th. I'll give the name A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and the last is B7. So here it is also A7. Now what I need to do, I have to divide this line segment in the ratio 4:3. So how I will do this? First of all, I have to join the endpoints, this A7 and this initial point B. Again I am repeating, not with X, this is a different point. In this same procedure, not with this Y, with this B7, A and B7. See, the ratio is 4:3. That means we have to take A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 ratio, that means the 4th arc, and here the 3rd one, because the ratio is 3. A1, A2, A3, A4, this is the 4th arc, and the next ratio is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have to join this A4 and this B3. When you join it, if the ratio is 3:4, in that case you have to join A3 and B4. So make sure that the joining must be proper. Suppose this point is C. If you observe this AC ratio BC, it should be equals to 4:3. You can check it. So this is the procedure how to divide a line segment internally in some ratio. I just recapitulated. You have to just add the ratio, these two numbers. You will get the total number of arcs that you have to make, mark the endpoints, and for 4:3, A4 and B3. Suppose if you have 6:1, so in that case A6 and B1. Or you can say that 1:6, so A1 and B6. So it depends on the ratio. Hope you understand it. Thank you.